Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have the prerequisites: an iPhone on iOS 14 Plus and a Bible app that supports widgets. First, open App Store and install your chosen app, then return to home screen. Once done, long press the home screen to enter jiggle mode and tap the plus button top left. You do this so widgets become available for placement. Make sure the app has background app refresh enabled in settings. This keeps the verse current. Now tap the app's widget preview to select size and basic options before adding. With the widget added, you need to configure what appears. Tap the widget while still in jiggle mode or long press it and choose Edit Widget. You will see options like translation, verse selection, and refresh cadence. Pick your preferred translation and either daily verse or a specific book/chapter. If the app supports custom lists, set that inside the app before editing the widget so choices populate. Once configured, exit jiggle mode. The widget displays live verses and updates automatically on the cadence you selected. Finish by positioning the widget where you want it and optionally stacking it with other widgets to rotate content. If the widget doesn't show the verse or update slowly, first ensure background app refresh and cellular data, if used, are enabled for the app. Once done, force close and reopen the app or restart your iPhone. If problems persist, remove and reinstall the app. That often resolves permission or cache issues. Finally, make sure your chosen translation is available offline if you expect updates without internet.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.